The Australian Mathematics Competition Kaleidocycle kit has 2 sheets. The instructions are spread across both sheets. First instruction is to cut out sheet 1, and so we cut out the shape from the background where the scissors marks indicate. Step 2 is to score along the edges of each of the rhombuses. For this, use something fairly blunt like this screwdriver, or you can also use a ballpoint pen, preferably one with no ink in it. Once scored, make mountain folds along the score lines. Step 3 is to score and fold the hinge lines across the short diagonal of each of the rhombuses. 2 of these are actually indicated on the pattern. You can score this on either side. Here I'm doing it on the back so that it doesn't show across the diagonals of the rhombuses. Now for step 4, we want to turn this into a chain of 4 tetrahedra. The trick here is to identify which of the faces match, as in there's part of a logo on one face and part of a logo on another face. These will be glued together with the white face on top of the pale yellow face. Step 5 is where we actually glue the parts together. We glue the white face on top of the pale yellow face, as we worked out in step 4. This completes the chain of 4 tetrahedra with 2 triangular flaps at one end, which will be used to join to the next chain of 4 tetrahedra. It's good to use a clip or maybe some rubber bands to hold it all together, depending on what type of glue you're using. Step 6. We repeat everything for the second sheet to create another chain of 4 tetrahedra. Step 7 is to join these 2 chains to make a chain of 8 tetrahedra. For these we use the triangular flaps at the end of one of the chains to glue them to the corresponding faces on the other chain. Finally, for step 8, we create a ring of 8 tetrahedra by gluing the flaps on one end of our chain to the tetrahedron at the other end of the chain, as indicated by the months. Now from here, just be a bit patient. I wasn't patient and I tried flexing it while the glue was still a bit wet, and everything moved a little bit and didn't square up in the end. So leave it for the glue to dry before you start trying to flex your kaleidocycle. Once you have finished your kaleidocycle, you will notice that as well as the 12 months from July 2017 to June 2018, there is a logo of the Australian Mathematics Trust in one orientation, and if you flex it around and look on the other side, you'll see the logo for the 40th year of the Australian Mathematics Competition.